Want to make the most out of your sponsorship? Let us help you stand out and achieve your goals. What do you want to accomplish, and how are you measuring success? Set 3 to 5 objectives to prepare for the outcome you want. Make sure you use the meeting portal. It goes live 3 weeks before the event, and you can select your preferred meetings based on attendees' budgets, investment priorities, and timelines. You can rank your requests in priority order. Attendees will also select which providers they want to meet. Personalized meeting agendas will be sent 2 weeks before the event. This will outline your scheduled meetings, which only take place during breaks, so you can attend conference sessions outside of this. Prospects will be brought to your meeting area by a dedicated concierge, and each meeting lasts for 30 minutes. Use the time as an opportunity for a detailed, open discussion to truly understand the needs of your prospect. There will be a 5-minute warning bell to give you plenty of time to agree next steps and schedule your follow-up. You can also exchange direct contact details. Make sure to check the app for your latest meeting schedule. And don't worry, any missed meetings will be replaced. Be sure to maximize your time at the event. Be proactive. Identify top prospects to network with during breaks. Those looking to invest in 6 to 12 or over 12 months are your future pipeline. This is an intimate event, so if you're proactive, you can meet all of your prospects over the 2 days. Divide and conquer. Remember to look approachable. Emails can wait. Instead, maximize your networking time, as well as the opportunities at registration, coffee breaks, lunch, drinks reception, and dinner. Remember, your dedicated account manager will be on hand to support and can help you with on-site introductions. We all want the same successful outcome. So what's next? An attendee list with emails will be sent after the event, so you can continue to use the solutions sheet to build your future pipeline. For 4 weeks after this event, sponsors have first refusal on their preferred involvement and the very best rates for future events. Make sure you take advantage of the benefits of year-round involvement. We look forward to working with you and wish you a successful event.